look at job structure and the value of jobs. Creation of a pay structure requires an internal structure showing the relative contribution of various jobs. One typical way of doing this is with a job evaluation, an administrative procedure for measuring the relative worth of a job. Usually, the organization does this by assembling and training a job evaluation committee, consisting of people familiar with jobs. To conduct a job evaluation, the committee identifies each person's compensable factors, meaning the characteristics of the job for that organization or values that they choose to pay for. Based on the job attributes defined in the job analysis, jobs are rated for each factor. The rater assigns each factor a certain number of points, giving more points to factors when they're considered more important. The scores for each factor are totaled and arrive at an overall evaluation for the job. Job evaluations provide the basis for decisions about relative internal worth. The organizations may limit its pay surveys to jobs evaluated as key jobs. These are jobs that have relatively stable content and are common among many organizations, so it's possible to obtain survey data about what people earn in these types of jobs. Organizations can make the process of creating a pay structure more practical by defining key jobs. Research for creating the pay structure is limited to the key jobs that play a significant role in the organization. Pay for key jobs can be based on survey data, and pay for the organization's other jobs can be based on the structure itself. A job with a higher evaluation score than a particular key job would receive a higher pay than the other key job.